Hi everyone, I am going to explain to you how to complete lesson number 1 of week of January 25th. If you need help, please contact me via email or sign up for office hours. This is the lesson agenda. You'll have an ed puzzle to complete, play the dingo game, and then reflect on the dingo game. Here is the weekly objective. You can synthesize evidence to make a claim about how biotic and abiotic factors interact in an ecosystem. Here are the key points from the last lesson. In the Yellowstone ecosystem in Wyoming and Montana, wolves had been locally extinct for about 50 years. When scientists reintroduced the wolves to the region, they brought balance back to the ecosystem, and even rivers changed. All species play important roles in ecosystems. For step number 1, please click on this link here to open the Edpuzzle video, or click on the image itself. Complete the questions as you are watching the video. For step number 2, you will play a dingo game. In order to access the game, you click on the image and open the link. Follow the instructions on the game. And then lastly, for the game, you will answer these questions. List 2 biotic factors here, 2 abiotic factors that you found in the game. Explain how 2 biotic factors interact with one another. Fill in the blanks for this food chain. And then create your own food chain using 4 biotic factors in the game. Answer the following reflection questions, and once you finish, please make sure that you have submitted each part, or you have completed each part, and highlight how long this lesson took you. And don't forget to click Turn It